Has your TikTok account been hacked and you want to recover it in your iPhone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to recover your TikTok account in your iPhone. Let's begin. Method 1. Recover password from your iPhone. Open up the password app. Next, scroll down and find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Here you can find username and password option. Just tap on the password option. And here you can see your password. Method 2. Recover password from Google. Open up the Safari browser. Now open Google from here. Make sure to sign in with the same Gmail you added in the TikTok account. Then tap on your Google profile picture from the top right corner. Next, tap Manage your Google account. At the top, you will see some tabs like Home, Personal Info, and more. Just slide left and tap Security. Now scroll down and find the Password Manager. Tap Manage Password. Here you will find all the login information. Tap on the search bar and search TikTok. Now tap TikTok. Enter screen lock password. Here you can get the TikTok login information. Use the eye icon to view the username or password. Method 3. Recover your account via TikTok app. Open up your TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the question mark icon from the top left corner. Tap Recover your account. Now here, enter your TikTok username and then hit the search. Here you will see your phone number. Now tap on phone number. TikTok will send 6-digit code to your number. After that, enter the code and your account is back. Method 4. Recover your account via TikTok feedback. Open up the Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the link. Then select the option from the drop-down menu. Now enter your username or email address. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. If you have any attachments, then upload them from here. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. TikTok support will recover your account within 48 hours. This is how you can recover your TikTok account on your iPhone. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.